superheroes only wear capes? Think again. Meet the tech titans. 10 powerhouse elements behind your gadgets, fireworks, and even time itself. Ready to uncover their secret powers? Let's roll. First up, meet gallium, the melt master. This metal melts in your palm but powers your LED screens. From phones to laptops, gallium keeps your world glowing. Cool, right? Sliding in next, germanium, the data whisperer. This fiber optic superstar makes high-speed internet possible across oceans. It also powers night vision lenses and helps semiconductors run your favorite gadgets. Invisible but unstoppable. Watch out! Here comes arsenic, the frenemy. Once a feared poison in old spy tales, today arsenic helps doctors fight a rare form of leukemia. Friend or foe? Well, that depends on how you use it. Lighting up the squad, selenium, the sun commander. This element turns sunlight into power with solar panels and even protects your eyes with UV tinted glass. Also, it fights off cell damage like a microscopic superhero. Bright, protective, and full of energy. Which of these first 4 titans do you think shines the brightest? Gallium, germanium, arsenic, or selenium? Drop your answer in the comments. Feel the heat? Here comes bromine, the flame controller. This liquid superhero is added to airplane seats and electronics to stop fires in their tracks. When flames try to spread, bromine releases invisible atoms that block the fire's reaction. Fire's worst enemy, safety's best friend. Look up! It's Krypton, the light commander. Krypton helps camera flashes, capture perfect photos, and assists doctors with precise laser eye surgeries. It even hides in high-tech windows to keep homes cozy. Bright, cool, and absolutely brilliant. But what if some titans could control time or paint the night sky? Let's find out. TikTok, meet rubidium, the timekeeper. Rubidium's got a knack for precision. It helps power atomic clocks, making GPS navigation super accurate so you never get lost. And guess what rubidium salt? Even light up fireworks with a stunning purple-red glow, timing the world and dazzling the sky. That's rubidium magic. Boom! Meet strontium, the firework maestro. Strontium paints the night sky red with its dazzling fireworks. But that's not all. It also helps create glow in the dark paints and strengthens bones in medical treatments. From fireworks to fractures, strontium's got the spark. Quick quiz. Which titan helps your GPS, rubidium or krypton? Drop your guess below. Next up, yttrium, the laser legend. Yttrium lasers remove tattoos, fix eyesight, and even cut through steel. And that vivid red glow on your TV screen, yttrium's behind the scenes making colors pop. Last but not least, zirconium, the cosmic shield. In nuclear reactors, zirconium shields fuel rods from extreme heat, but it also knows how to shine. Zirconium dioxide turns into cubic zirconia, those sparkling diamond lookalikes. From reactors to jewelry, zirconium's got the power and the polish. Wow, what a wild ride with the tech titans. Let's do a quick recap to lock in the magic. Ready? Gallium, the meltable metal that powers LED screens. Germanium, the fiber optic wizard behind fast internet. Arsenic, the tricky element with life-saving potential. Selenium, the sun-powered protector of solar panels. Bromine, the liquid firefighter in everyday materials. Krypton, the bright gas with cool medical tricks. Rubidium, the atomic timekeeper for GPS accuracy. Strontium, the firework artist and bone strengthener. Yttrium, the laser master of surgeries and screens. Zirconium, the cosmic shield for nuclear reactors and gems. And there you have it. Elements 31 to 40, the tech titans. From high-tech lasers to cosmic shields, these elements shape our world in incredible ways. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more science adventures. And stay tuned, stay curious, stay awesome.